ETH, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. ETH is similar to other charts which we explained today, but I don't see any trade setup yet. And if I look at the chart based on daily chart, this is the correction. All right, now the question is what's this in relative to what we have here for the next drop before we see the reversal, or the price can continue from here because almost the price is at the top of this correction. All right, that's mean if you want to look for buy, having entry above this is not. I'm not really interested. That's why I wait to see the breakout of the top. Then, and if you like at this after the breakout of the top of this correction, I will take it. Okay, but first of all, as what I explained for the other charts, what we get this drop, we can expect this one turn to a correction for the next, then any reversal from there will be the best because we can get the divergence. All right, again, and if the price continue from here, we have to see the breakout of this correction before we take the trade. We have to be quite careful. We don't see the really good trade setup because if we want to look for buy, the only option is to see the breakout of this top, any flag either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, then from there I will take it. All right, then can we put our entry above here? It can be an option, but it's very risky. Simply the price can tag and drop. That's why if anyone wants to put the entry above here, they should at least they put at the 3.6 or above 3.6. All right, then uh I don't see any trade setup, and as I mentioned, we can put this one in relative to what we have here. If again I say if we get this possibility, this is the best because we will have the divergence. Okay, this is the best option, but it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. That's mean if you want to look for buy from here, we have to see the breakout of the top flag, any flag. Then from there, I mean any flag based on 1 hour or 15-minute chart. Then from there we can look for we will take the trade. Okay, but we have to be aware of this possibility and following by divergence. This is the best I'm looking for if we get. Okay, then whether we have the trade set up or not, at this point, I don't see. The only option is to put the entry above the top. It can be an option, but it's very risky. I will not suggest it at this point. Again, it depends on the strategy the traders are using. We prefer to see the breakout. Then from there, we look for the flag. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we see is losing the momentum. This is the reasons I don't want to have entry above the top. All right. I don't see anything else to discuss. And if we move to higher time frame, we're looking to see the breakout of the 4.1 or 4.2, following by all-time high. Then the targets we can look for is at least 6.1, following by 7.8. We'll be the breakout of the all-time high. At least we can look for this zone. Then from there, if there is any changes or any uh, targets above the 7.8, we come with the, I mean, I will give an update. But at this point, we're looking at this to at least, all right? And because we want to see what how the price can react within this range. Anyway, as I mentioned, if you want to look for trade, I explain how we can look for trade and why I don't want to see to have entry above this one. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.